Hello YouTube, my name is Fred Bergeron from Inaxsys Security Systems. In today's video, I want to quickly show you how to import users in the GX, Protege GX platform from ICT, which is a product that Inaxsys is selling in Canada. I'm going to show you how to import users from a CSV file. This is very useful. Let's say you're deploying a GX system at a new client site, and they already have a list of all the employees from the, let's say, human resources department, for instance. Okay, so you just have to basically take that CSV file or Excel spreadsheet and save it as a CSV. And also, we need at least some minimum tables or columns that we need to be able to import this file. That would be, the name or the full name or let's say the full name and first name, last name, and also the card details, so the site code and the card number, and ideally maybe a name of the access level where we want to import those users to. Okay, so the tool inside GX is able to actually take the name of the access level and find in the system if the access levels already exist, and if there's no record for that access level, it's going to create a blank access level with that name. So this way it's easier after, if you find, let's say, master from the list of access levels, you just drop the doors and the partitions and the floors and floor groups and all that into it, and then the system will be already linked to the users. We're gonna look at this, how we do this in GX, and let's start. So from the home page, you want to go under Sites and Import Users. Like I said before, we want to import using a CSV file, so the delimiter will be a comma. All right, so let's browse for a sample here. Okay, when you go next, at the bottom, it will show you like a preview of the CSV file. Okay, if you have, let's say, on the first line, if it's, let's say, the title of each column, you want to say start import at line 2, otherwise it's going to fail. Okay, but in this example, I removed the title line from the CSV file. Okay, so you go next. Now I have, again, the sample of the CSV. So the first column, so I'm going to select column 1. I want to be first and last name. Okay, so that's what it is. Then column number 2 will be last name. Column 3, first name. All right. Then column number 4, it's the facility number. Okay. And column number 5 will be the card number. And the last one I will link to import will be this column here, which is the name of the access level. So column 6, access level. Okay, this column here, I'm not going to import it. It's just a numerical value to make the user unique, but I don't need it in this import. Okay, so I can go next. Now I don't want to generate PIN, but there's a auto generate PIN option. And I'm not going to select the access level drop-down list because I already mapped the access level column from the CSV. And then I'm going to go next and finish. Voila, this is, if I go under users, the list has been populated automatically. The guys are already linked to the master access level. Okay, so if this access level already has some doors and areas, it means that the users are now already downloaded to the panel. Okay. Again, this was how to import users using a CSV file from inside the Protege GX client. If you're interested in the channel, if you like us, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button on this video. If you have any suggestions or ideas of new videos, please send this down below and we'll answer you quickly. Thanks for watching. My name is Fred Bergeron from Inaxsys. Thank you.